Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we will have the first chapter of microeconomics. My name is Dr. Muhammad Abu Saud, and inshallah we will have our course together this semester. In the beginning, we have to ask ourselves what this graph means. We have 5 forks and just 1 tomato. Or what does it mean, this photos? We have 1 cookies only, and we have 1 slice of pizza. What's the difference between these 2 apples? Both of them apples, but one of them we needed and the other one we wanted. So the first one represents survival and the second one represents entertainment. Any one of us had a problem. So what is problem? The problem related to we have unlimited needs in one side and limited resources in the other side. So we have something called economic problem. So how can we solve the economic problem? Let us think what we do. Actually, to solve the economic problem, we have to use something called economics. So what does it mean, economics? The study of how society uses its limited resources to satisfy unlimited needs and wants. From this definition, we want to know the meaning of scarcity, resources, opportunity cost, and efficiency. So what does it mean, scarcity? Scarcity means goods that are limited in supply. So any good is limited, we can call it scarce. But in the other side, we have 2 types of goods. The first one, we call it economic good. And the second one, we call it free good. The economic good is limited and has a price, which means we have to pay for it. Can you give me example? While the other good, we call it free good, where it is unlimited and we can get it for free. So do you have an example about this? After that, we want to know the meaning of resources. Resources, we can say it is the elements needed to produce goods and services. Resources, also called factors of production or inputs. They are land and we pay for it, rent. While the second factor is labor, and we pay for labor, wage. While the third one is capital, and we pay for capital, interest. While the last one is entrepreneur, and we pay for it, profit. This is what we call it factors of production, resources, or inputs. So let us see this question. The following are considered factors of production. Number A, capital, land, labors. Second one is capital, land, labors, and money. Third one, labor, land, capital, entrepreneurship. The last one is labors, land, capital, and wages. Think for 10 seconds. What is the right answer? Yes, you are right. C, it is the right answer, which is labors, land, capital, and entrepreneur. Another definition or concept, we want to know the difference between positive and normative economics. So positive economics means what is? Depends on facts, something we can measure it. Positive economics is economics as a science. While we have another one called normative economics. So normative economics depends on what? Depends on your value judgment or points of view. When we say ought to, should be, might be, these words means we talk about something. We can say yes or we can say no. It is not a fact. So we call it normative economics. So let us read this statement. An increase in the price of gasoline will decrease the amount purchased. This is political statement, positive statement, normative statement, or scientific statement. What do you think? This is not fact, because maybe some will buy less and maybe some will buy more. Maybe the rich man will not change the amount they buy. So this is what we call it. This is normative statement. So what is the answer? Is C. Another concept, which is micro and macro. So micro, I, which means we talk about individual, one. So microeconomics study the economy at the level of individuals, consumer, workers, firms, goods, and so on. While macro, A, study the economy as a whole. So let us check Microeconomics differs from microeconomics in that macroeconomics includes second round effects while micro does not. Analyze marginal as well as average benefit. Study the national economy. National, it means aggregate or all the economy. While microeconomics analyze the decisions of individuals